Welcome to SummitPoint's video demonstration of its key product, the SharePoint Content Management and Dashboard Reporting Tool, or the Commander tool for short. For this demonstration, we will go into detail about the Site Recycle Bin module for the Commander tool. The Site Recycle Bin module is purposefully crafted to offer users comprehensive visibility and control over items or files that have been sent to the recycle bin within the site collection. This module serves as a powerful tool for administrators, providing a user-friendly interface with a searchable and filterable spreadsheet. Users can efficiently manage and retrieve recycled items, ensuring a seamless process for handling deleted content within the SharePoint environment. With its robust features, the Site Recycle Bin module enhances the overall management of recycled items, contributing to a more organized and user-friendly experience for administrators overseeing the site collection. On top is the module header containing the name of the module and an icon cluster. The icon cluster has the following 5 icons. The Open Site Recycle Bin icon opens the Site Recycle Bin page in SharePoint. The Recycle Bin Details icon opens the Additional Details Recycle Bin modal with a list of all the different functions and objects and any retrievable values. More on this in a moment. The Hide icon will hide the current module. The Print icon generates a print preview of the module. And the Refresh Site Recycle Bin icon allows the user to forcibly refresh the module. Before we go any further, let's click on the Recycle Bin Details icon. As already stated, this opens the Additional Details Recycle Bin modal. The purpose of this modal, like all Additional Details modals, is to capture all the properties, functions, and methods associated with an object and display that information as a convenient table. First, the tool will ask the user if they want to open the modal in safe mode or not. If the user elects to use safe mode, then the modal will not attempt to retrieve any data. Otherwise, the modal will attempt to execute and display the results of an object's properties, functions, and methods. Items with a red diamond indicator represent a function or object that exists, but no data was able to be retrieved. If the user wants to explore the function or object, they will have to pursue that on their own. A yellow triangle indicator represents a function or object that exists, and some information about the function or object was able to be retrieved. The user will, again, need to explore that on their own. A green circle indicator indicates the function or object was able to be executed and provided results. All Additional Details modals have the same functionality, and for the purpose of this video we will not go into repeated detail about each one. Moving on, below the module header is the module content. The content of the Site Recycle Bin module contains a spreadsheet of every item in the site collection that has been sent to the recycle bin. On top is a menu that allows the user several operations. First is the Restore Selected icon. This menu option restores any item or file that has their corresponding checkbox marked. Next is the Restore All icon. This menu option restores all the items and files in the spreadsheet. Then there is the Delete Selected icon. This menu option prompts the user to permanently delete any item or file that has their corresponding checkbox marked. Next is the Delete All icon. This menu option prompts the user to permanently delete all the items and files in the spreadsheet. And finally, the Search icon. This menu option opens the search modal. The search modal allows the user to find any records using full or partial input against any of the columns. Below the menu is the data content of the Site Recycle Bin module. It lists out every item and file in the recycle bin at the site collection level. Each row contains the following columns. The Action column contains a series of icons that allow the user to perform actions against the listed row item. The Deleted Date column lists the date that the record was sent to the recycle bin. The Directory Name column identifies the source that the record came from. The Item State column contains an enumeration to identify the recycle bin stage. The Item Type column identifies if the record is an item or a file. The leaf name column provides the file name, if a file, or ID, if an item, of the record. The size column indicates the size of the record. And the title column shows the title of the record. As stated earlier, the action column contains a series of icons that allow the user to perform actions against the listed row item. These icons include the Select Item checkbox, which allows the user to select the item or file for additional actions in the menu. The Restore Record icon restores the item or file. The Show Details icon opens the additional details item modal. Since we have already covered the functionality of the additional details modal, we will not go into detail here. And the Delete Record icon, which prompts the user to permanently delete the item or file. This concludes SummitPoint's demonstration of the Site Recycle Bin module of the SharePoint Commander tool. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions, or review our tool's documentation and watch some of our other videos on the other modules. Thank you for your time and your interest.